This is an 8-minute leg and glute workout. We're going to be using blood flow restriction bands, BFR bands. So first we're going to start out, we're going to get down into a low squat. Only go down as far as you can. If you could only go down this far, then that's what you got today. We'll work on it. We'll keep going. Otherwise, we're going to go all the way down. If you don't feel a burn, you need to tighten up your bands. So here we go. We're going to get down. About 30 seconds in, you should start to feel that burn. If you research that a little bit, you'll find out that's how you make HGH. So instead of paying for it, let's get it this way. But if you're at that point, you just got over an injury or an illness and you just lost a lot of strength, try using your own body weight. And then when you want to bump it up, you can use the bands. So we're going to do like a shuffle, like a football shuffle. Stay down low, side to side. Keep the feet kind of wide and do what you can. All right, get your chair, whatnot. We're going to do kickbacks. Should definitely be feeling that. All right, let's get the other side. You're gonna feel that burn. All right, we're gonna go into calves. You can use your chair, use the wall. You're gonna go up on those toes. Kind of almost do a little bit of a static hold up top. About a second. Hold for a little second. Hold a little bit. We're almost there. All right, we're going to start going into some lunges. So you can go back, a little bit of a static hold. Hold it about 1 to 2 seconds there. 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And you should really feel it. Again, if you don't feel a burn, you need to tighten up the bands. If the bands don't do it as good, now you could probably start adding some weight. And you should congratulate that if you get to that point. If you gain enough strength for that. All right, we're gonna go back into this wall. You're gonna lift your toes up. You should start feeling that burn on the front of your legs. Good if you're a runner, ex-runner, you got shin splints. This is gonna be good, so you're gonna bend just a little bit. You're gonna get your body weight down, lift up your toes. Nice little movement with a lot of gain. The toes off the ground. You're doing great. All right, squat back down. You're gonna push the legs out, pull them in. Another nice small movement. You're getting that human growth hormone. That's what that burn is. Let's not leave nothing on the table. Oh, hang in there. walk it off just a little bit. All right, we're gonna go back down to that static hold again. Get down there, and we're gonna hold. Now you should burn a little faster this time. You're doing great. Stay with me. You got this. This is all for you. Don't leave nothing on the table. You should be on fire. You're doing awesome. All right. Side shuffles. Keep it low, keep it wide. Keep the legs out. Real slow and wide. Don't put them together. You got it. All right, kickbacks again, here we go. All right, you can take a little breather. Doing awesome. March it out just a little bit. Breathe in, out through the mouth. You're doing great. Walk that out a little bit, shake a little bit. As you've been burning. You did good. All right, we're gonna get the other side. All right, let's get those calves again. Raise up on those toes. Real small movement. Hold it at the top just a little bit. Yeah, like a 1, 2. 1, 2. Hold it. 1, 2. 1, 2. Keep going. Burn that out. I'm taking it all today. This is for us. All right, I'm going to shake that out just a little bit. I'm going to do those lunges. A little bit of a static hold. A 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Make sure we activate all that. Burn it all. Shake it out just a little bit. Good job. All right. Raise those toes up. You're going to bend down just a little bit. Raise your toes up. Nice small movement. You should feel the front of your legs right here. And This is going to help get that flexibility and mobility back for you. Especially if you're in the middle of recovering for whatever reason and you've gotten a little weak. We're going to get you back on the road. This is for you. All right. Back down to the torque squat. Squat on down. Pull it in. Push it out. Nice small movement. Oh yeah. Shake that out. Good job. So no matter where you're at in your fitness, or if you're just starting back out, a little's gonna go a long way. All right. We're gonna finish this off. You ready? You're gonna do your wall sit. Go ahead and get down. Go as low as you can. If you start feeling a lot of pain, stand back up. You could scoot back up. If you can, you're gonna sit where you're at and hold. You're doing good. I don't know about you, but I am burning immediately. Good job, stay in it. Come on now. Oh. Stay in it. Oh my God. Congratulations if you made it this far. You've got to be on fire. Shake it out. This is a really good starter workout if you can't do your weights right now. This is also good for balance, your mobility. And I'm ready to take these bands off. Thank you. I love you. I'm going to see you next time.